Ackley Hartnett created the IBM Laser Writer for high-volume production and precise laser writing on pharmaceutical, confectionery, and nutraceutical products. As with all of our machines, it is a culmination of craftsmanship and expertise gained from nearly a century of industry and manufacturing knowledge. This machine is equipped with a bulk hopper that feeds the angled flood feeder system that accepts bulk product and fills the carrier bar with the correct orientation. This system fills the pocket of the carrier bar to a near-perfect fill rate. The laser marks 16 lanes simultaneously with custom designs or alphanumeric coding, and it reaches output rates of 300,000 pieces per hour. When paired with Ackley Hartnett's patent vision inspection system, each product gets individually inspected by 4 cameras, easily viewed and programmed on the camera page of the human-machine interface. This patent system includes our single tablet rejection system, which ensures a 99% or higher acceptance rate. All of the model IBM laser marking printing machine's contact parts are made with FDA-compliant materials, which means all products that go through the machine are as safe for human consumption as they were before. The model IBM laser marking printing machine is designed to be efficient, accurate, flexible, and capable of producing a quality imprint for many years.